Hi guys. So I have extremely sensitive skin. I like putting on face mask and let my skin soak and soothe. Putting on a face mask always feels like a luxury. I was about to put one on today and I saw I have so many which I don't use and so many that I have used and reused and I keep ordering them. So I thought let's make a video of what works for which skin type and help you guys decide how not to make mistakes by buying expensive masks that don't work for you. All of the masks are from Indian based cosmetic companies. Shop local has been my mantra from past few years. I tend to shower my love on local products not only because they put money into researching what works from brown skin people, but all the other international brands that you buy, you won't get same result as a Caucasian woman would. Hard truth. I'm not saying stop buying those products. I mean, start experimenting with locals too. You might find your holy grails for half the price. All the masks that I'm going to talk about tends to a different skin issues. Some caters to dehydrated skin and some to clogged pores and some to pigmentation. And all of those masks are very affordable and dupes of high-end brands containing same ingredients but in cheaper packaging and even cheaper prices. If you want to know which of those masks suits best for you, continue watching. The first face pack is Good Vibes Brightening Face Mask. Now, truth about this product, it does not brighten your skin, or maybe it does a little, but I haven't noticed much difference about that. But why I love this mask is when I have had a long day at work or I have been traveling, pollution and stress can take a toll on your skin, making it look dull and tired. This one really gives you that fresh feeling. I mean, leaves your skin in the most radiant glow. I normally use it at night time before bed, but you can use it before day too for the instant glow. So I will check this one out as a cure for dull skin. It retails for about 225 rupees and you get about 50 grams of product. Deal, right? Moving on to my second favorite, Khadi Natural Herbal Gold Mask. Now this one is in powder formula. This one is also cruelty free and vegan and government owned organization. So I have always liked and preferred powder formula in mask. Powder mask requires less preservative which can be harmful for your skin, and because powder mask doesn't require any or extra ingredients that are going to make or keep the product texture certain way, you get primary active ingredients to work faster than it would have been otherwise. And third, powder masks are easier to carry or transfer to a different container if you wish to travel with them. And fourth benefit, powder mask last longer, about 12 to 24 months compared to other gel or wet formula which would be about 6 to 10 months. Now focusing on this mask, it's highly effective anti-aging face mask. It's complete treatment which helps you lifting and nourishing the skin. It can promote natural collagen products producing, giving you natural glow. It imparts nutrition and moisturizers required for your skin. Key ingredients in this mask are Celamine, I'm not sure if I'm butchering the name, but celamine and soya beach, rose petal powder, aloe vera extract, cucumber extract, ashwagandha, goat milk, and gold. Yes, gold. It retails for about 225 rupees and you get 3.5 ounce, which is about 100 grams, I think. Isn't that great? It looks like pink mud. You can clearly see gold. Let me show you a clip how quickly it changed my skin. mask is again from Khadi Natural. This one is neem, basil and mint, that's the name. It keeps your skin blemish free by quickly reducing breakouts with such a strong formulation. This mask unclogs pore to release trapped dirt and oil. Skin is left free of acne and pimples and purifies pores basically and prevent further breakouts. So that's what they claim, and that's what I think it's been working. So ingredients in this mask are multani mitti, neem leaf powder, basil powder, rose, aloe vera, clove, cinnamon bark extract. Those were the main ingredients. You can just use 1 to 2 spoon with water or milk and apply it on your wet face. Leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off. I normally use it when I have period and I get period acne. It's hormonal, but it still works. So it still clears out my skin and reduces pimple. It retails for about 145 rupees. You can get 1.77 ounces of this product for 145 rupees. That's a steal. Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Mask. Now charcoal, because charcoal purifies and cleanses the skin by drowning out dirt, impurities and bacteria. It helps achieve flawless complexion, somewhat fights acne too. You just need very tiny scoop and lay it on your face, on your wet face. That's a must. Just with your finger, that's fine too. It retails for 975 or 990. Sorry, what am I saying? 195 rupees. I use this face pack when I have like full face of makeup on, otherwise I'm traveling and I feel like my pores are clogged. You can literally just feel that you have been mistreating your skin, and then I would use this one. It immediately gets all the gunk out. I mean, you can literally feel your skin consuming oxygen. Pearl Organic Saffron and Rose Petal Face Pack. Now if you haven't already noticed, I happen to like these two ingredients, and almost all the face pack that I pick, these two ingredients are always there. I don't know why, but it just sits well with my skin. I never had any harsh reaction to this two. I'm sure saffron and rose suits everybody. It has been part of DIY culture since our grandmother's time, and I've been using this a lot. This is my second one. You can see I have been actually using this, not just making video after it. This particular face mask claims to be 100% natural, homemade and suitable for all skin type. So no paraben, no sulfate, no synthetic colors or chemicals. It claims to remove any pigmentation or dark spot, pimple, acne. You can use this face mask daily or even twice a day if you want. After I clean my face with a face wash, I just take spoonful of this, mix it with tap water and lay it on my face and keep it for 3 minutes while I brush my teeth and then wash it off. This works as a second cleanser for me. I seem to like using this often, but of course you can also use it as a proper face pack too. This package instructs I'm sorry, what's happening to me today? This package instructs you to use either with honey or olive or jojoba oil, whatever virgin oil suits your skin. Make sure you mix it with virgin oil. The entire point is to keep things 100% natural, right? So if you're going for twice a day thing, for first use, preferably in the morning, mix it with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil plus this face pack. Apply it on your face and neck and leave it for about 20 minutes. It will help you with your pimples, scars and pigmentation. For second time, probably in the evening, right? Mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey, few drops of lemon juice if you want, just avoid that if you're allergic, and this face pack. Apply on face and neck for 20 minutes. It will probably help you with skin whitening and pores. That's what the website and this claims. It just works for me for the cleansing and pimples. So you definitely need to continuously use this for at least 2 to 3 weeks, right? Ingredients in this pack are sandalwood, saffron, rose petal, yellow lentils and green gram. Since all the ingredients are 100% natural, so no chemicals, no side effect, you will see the difference in 15 days, but you have to continue for 12 weeks to get a good result. It retails for about 499 rupees and you get 100 grams of the product for it. It does seem expensive, but it's worth it. Last face pack in this list would be again from Khadi Natural Face Mask. It's called Fruit. I love how they come in this tiny stainless steel jar. It's so cute. Plus it's eco-friendly. Key ingredients in this one is aloe vera extracts, suhaga, I don't know what that is, but it's something fruit related. It's orange peel is in it, papaya fruit extract, apple peel, pomegranate, peach extracts, and pineapples. Fruit, fruit face mask increases blood circulation, energizes your skin tissue, which in result improves your complexion, clear out spots and patches, and your skin feels rejuvenated. It makes skin supple and tight and prevent premature aging signs. You can mix it with water or milk. Apply it on your wet face. It feels so cool, almost like you have ice on your face. It's almost like shocking your skin awake. It's so refreshing. I remember using it when I was feeling sugar deprived because of my diet, and after this face pack I felt so fresh. I wanted to be protective. It really does feel like when you wake up and splash your face with cold water, that wakes you up, right? This one will feel the same, exactly the same. It's bizarre. It retails for about 145 rupees only for 1.77 ounce of product. So that's the end of it. Let me know if you tried any of this face pack mentioned here. Would you be trying any of those out too? Let me know if you have any questions about this or about anything. Let me know them in comment section, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Please do. See you tomorrow.